I wanted to improve my English, yeah, and know more friends.
I came here for 2 weeks. I liked it, so I came here again and again. This is my third time here.
I thought that it was a really great opportunity to learn English and also for surfing.
We're the surf capital of Ireland and probably of Europe as well. We've got waves right on our doorstep.
I love the landscape here and I really want to ride on the beach. It was always a dream for me.
The horse riding, we offer spectacular terrain. We've got the sand dunes, we've got a 10-kilometre beach, we've got about 10 different mountains all around us. It's not just English. Within the classroom is a variety of activities. It can be anything from walks, mini excursions, tours to local castles.
In the classes, the teacher wants us to sit next to somebody new.
We sent the letter, we made a curriculum vitae. We tried an interview for a job.
His lessons, he teach you about life. They are not boring.
The people are so different because they come from different places.
Everything is designed in the school, both in class and outside of class, to get the students to interact with each other and to make friends. And they do that so quickly.